The little fish and the man. The fish lives in the blue sea. It swims every day. It is small, but very fast. One morning, a man goes fishing. He waits quietly near the water. The fish sees the man. It is curious. It swims closer. Suddenly, the man catches the fish. The fish is scared. It moves and jumps. The fish looks at the man. It cannot speak, but its eyes are sad. The man looks at the fish. He feels sorry for it. He thinks about the sea. The man opens his hand. He puts the fish back into the water. The fish swims away fast. It is free again. It is happy. The fish swims with its friends. The sea feels safe again. The man smiles. He feels good in his heart. Sometimes, being kind is more important than winning. If you like this story, please don't forget to subscribe and like. See you later, bye.